Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited because I've brought a very delicious and flavorful potato rice recipe for you. All this recipe is so tasty, comforting, and easy to make that once you try it, you'll keep wanting to eat more and more. The combination of soft potatoes, perfectly cooked rice, and amazing spices makes this dish absolutely mouth-watering. It's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even when you want to make something quick and satisfying for your family. So if you love simple homemade recipes full of flavor, then you're going to enjoy today's recipe a lot. Make sure to watch the video till the end and try this delicious potato rice recipe at home. Now let's get started with today's yummy recipe. Chopped for tomatoes and 5 onions. One kilogram potatoes cut into small cubes. 1 kilogram rice soaked in water for 1 minute. Oh my god, check this out. Now add onions to the wok. Cook it until golden brown. Now add zira, point to cinnamon sticks, point to curry leaves, and 17 black peppercorns. Now add tomatoes to the pan. Now add the potatoes to the pan. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, really. While I'm making this recipe, don't forget to leave a sweet comment to support my video and show some love. Add 1 pack of chicken powder. Now add green chilies to the pan. Now it's time to add the rice. Mix well. Now everything is cooked. So we'll add coriander. Now it's ready, let's dish out. While I'm plating this recipe, like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss my upcoming videos. Also check out my other recipes and leave a sweet little comment to support me. So guys, finally our delicious potato rice is ready. Try this recipe once and you'll want to make it again and again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And share this recipe with your loved ones. And sorry, guys, I forgot to bring balloons for Happy Mother's Day. Love you all, bye bye.